What's the secret to selling popcorn?
Going door to door. That's really big. Doing the blitz, the popcorn blitz has always been a big seller for us.
The secret to selling popcorn.
We also went door to door to family and friends. So
Since you're always in the tops.
Yeah, you knock on every door, and when they say no, you ask for a donation.
So what's the secret to selling popcorn?
Just keep going.
So what is the secret to selling popcorn?
I think having the kids in uniform, giving a good spiel, explaining why it's important to them and their community is a great way to make a sale. I know when I had my Tiger out there last year, he barely had to get through a couple sentences of why it was important, and usually they were getting out their checkbooks. So it's about showing them the importance of Scouts to the community and giving them an honest, what good benefits the troop gets and the community gets out of having a successful Cub Scout. So,
The secret to selling popcorn is, I'll be honest, you have a blue shirt on, you first, second, and third graders, and you say, would you please buy popcorn to support our pack so I can do fun stuff like go camping?